Just ordered the 2 set of this cutting board organizer, and they're pretty nice. They come with 4 of these little silicone protectors each, so you just kind of pop them on the legs down here. Definitely easier to do with 2 hands. There we go. Goes right on, so super easy, and I've already done the other ones. And then I've set up one down here. And you can see I put a baking sheet and then also cutting board. So it does fit quite a lot. It's nice and sturdy and easy to grab everything and slide them out. And this is not slipping, so you can kind of set it wherever you want in your cabinets and it's gonna stay put. Great way to organize things. This is our Tupperware drawer, and I used the other one here to just vertically stack some of the lids. And what I love about it is that it saves on space, but also makes it so that you can kind of see everything. It's kind of hard to tell what you're looking for in this pile, but here I can tell exactly the size I need. So these organizers are fabulous.